Editing a hyperlink is often easy, but sometimes can be a little difficult when you're working with someone else's data. So the example we're using here is an accounting sheet by Public Filings with General Mills. This is created by Edgar, that's a company, Online Inc. So online, anyone is available to go to generalmills.com and download this information because it is by law available to everyone, especially investors. They get this information readily available. I say investors, shareholders, stakeholders, like that. So let's look at how we can edit here. So what we've done is changed some of the names of our tabs. So these tabs were not changed, the name wasn't changed, the title was just changed, and we moved them. But you can still access them via the same table of contents without editing. But I've already edited this one, so I'll show you what I mean here. So I went in to the operating ratio, clicked my open link, and clicked edit, and then I typed in a new name for the hyperlink. So because I typed in the new name, it didn't take me directly to my sheet. So if I click on this, you'll see it doesn't take me to my sheet. If I press Control click, it doesn't take me to my sheet. It opens this up. So that's not exact, opens up the cell so I can edit, and that's not what I want. So I am going to go to Control click, or not Control click, just click for the quick access menu again, and I'm going to edit hyperlink again. This time though, I'm going to scroll down I'll have my cursor up here and scroll down to the new tab and the name, and I can click on that, and by clicking on that it's going to insert the new name. Even though it was named exactly the same and I typed it in the same, it did not accept that data. So now I'm going to click OK. And now that hyperlink is going to be active. So if I click on this hyperlink, it's going to go directly to that page. So it was originally table 4. Now it's called percentage and ratio operating data. So I'm going to go in here and just edit it because let's say I'm sending it to an executive so they can see the title of the page along with the tab operating data. There we go, and that's it.